Hi guys, welcome again to our mini vlog. For today, we're going now to Siquijor. So from Dumaguete City or Darwin, we need to get a fast track in the airport in Dumaguete. So we're there on get a ticket going to Siquijor. By the way guys, you cannot go to Siquijor by bus. You need or van. You need to take a Roro or a fast track. So we get the fast track kasi it's more mabilis na. So from there, we need to travel like 40 to 30 minutes. Yan nga yung ginawa natin fast track. I don't know what is it, but you can check there on Facebook ano yung mga available dates nila. So yan na nga, picture na kami ng my love, and another selfie from the fast track. So now we arrived to Siquijor. Oh my God, guys. From the port, nakaka-unbelievable. Wow. Ngayon lang ako nakita ng crystal clear na port in my entire life. Sobrang ganda ng Siquijor, guys. Port pa lang yan, ha. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Port pa lang yan. Pwede na kayo mag-swimming dyan. Pero wag kayo sa banda dito sa mga, syempre sa mga Roro. Doon kayo, merong part nila pwede kayong mag-swimming. Ayan. Napaganda nga to guys, yung church nila dito. Ayan. So yan, arriving pa lang, marami nagpa-parke na ng mga motorcycle, meron din mga small van, mga small na ganyan. So ang pipip nga dito guys, ang liliit ng mga sasakyan. So parang naka-uniform talaga. So from there, our staycation is like 1 hour or 40 minutes. Yan. So we're staying in Blue Lagoon, Secret Blue Lagoon here in I just can't remember what's the exact address. It's Blue Secret Blue Lagoon. Dito sa Siquijor Island. Ayan. So from our staycation, yan ang aming view. Super refreshing, and then we're staying inside the forest, guys. So I'm showing you, and will show you what is our staycation looks like here in Siquijor Island. So ayan guys, kung gusto nyo talaga ng refreshing view, go here, and very nice na talaga. So wala masyadong ayan na siya. Ayan, Secret Blue Lagoon pala, homestay. And this is our staycation, guys. I just want to show you how it looks, guys. Oh my God, guys. So the view is so nice. Ayan. Kung naghahanap kayo ng very classy, modern, and kayo lang talaga, this is the best place for you guys. So nice, like that. This is the room. Ayan, the master bedroom, and this will be our restroom. Medyo mahina ang pressure ng water guys since we're living inside the forest kasi nasa bundok kumukuha ng tubig. But it's okay guys. We survive here. We stay here at least 3 days kasi fully booked sila. So napakaganda nito guys. Please, if you would like to travel with your loves, please check this staycation. Ayan. So this is the view from ayan. So very nice na here guys. Walang mosquito. We are surprised walang mosquito here. Ayan ang view from outside, and another selfie from me. Ayan, if you would like to stay here, another selfie with my love with drone shot. Ayan. So if you would like to stay here guys, I can send you the message on our contact here, the owner. And we have a great experience here. Really we have if you're soul searching basta kung mag-isa kayo or with your couple, this is the best place for you guys. So we have a great time here in Siquijor Island, and we have another video staying another staycation, but this is the kubo that you can eat outside. Ayan, napakaganda ng view guys, very romantic. Andyan yung lagoon but we have not tried. And this is like I told you guys, the port from Siquijor. Ayan guys, sobrang clear ng water, diba? Pwede kayo dyan mag-swimming. Meron silang volleyball place that you can also enjoy. And this is another selfie by my love. And another selfie from the kubo. Hindi mawawala ng another selfie again. And then guys, this is the view from outside. Yan kayo mag-stay, napakaganda. Another selfie. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy. Bye!